Hi friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram. I hope everyone is doing good. Take care of yourself. Today I will show you how to make garlic powder. Required ingredients are curry leaf seeds, tamarind and tampering ingredients Urad Dal, Chana Dal, Dhaniya Seeds, Zeera, Recpies, garlic cloves and Hing. On the flame, place a pan on it. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. I will use less oil and so I am using only 3 tablespoons of oil. And I will use turmeric powder in all the ingredients I make. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now I will start adding remaining ingredients. Add red chillies. Fry it until golden brown color. Don't make them black. The taste will be spoiled. Fry it till golden brown color. Now it is cooked well. Fried well. So I am removing it. Add Urad Dal, Chana Dal, then Dhaniya Seeds, then Jeera. Mix all the ingredients very well. Fry till golden brown color. Add to well. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Add curry leaves. Let the curry leaves become crispy. Now add tamarind, little, a small size of onion. Off the flame, mix all the ingredients very well. Let this add to the red chilies we have fried now and let this come to the room temperature. And now we will add all these ingredients into the mixer jar by adding 4 cloves. Make it a fine powder. That's it. Garlic powder is ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Jai Hind.